Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Paladao Shark Ring Float for babies and infants. You'll receive a square of vinyl repair sticker and a polyester drawstring bag with the float inside. The float comes in two pieces. You have the bottom ring piece with leg holes where your baby will sit, and you have the upper sunshade canopy, which separately attaches to the bottom, though its use is optional. The bottom part of the float has these two inflatable bubbles on the sides, one main fill valve and a fill valve for the shark's bottom teeth. The upper canopy has one main fill valve and a separate fill valve for the teeth. It also has a hole on both sides where you'll attach it to the bottom of the float. Before inflating, pull the bubble on each side through the holes on the sides of the canopy. Then fill each bubble with air to secure it in place. For the main inflation valves, I recommend using an air pump, as it needs quite a bit of air to fully inflate. Don't forget to inflate the teeth. There are small rattle balls inside the teeth to entertain young babies sitting in the float. What's cute about this shark float is that the canopy articulates, so you can make it look like the shark is eating the child inside. Be mindful though, as windy conditions can turn the canopy into a sail and carry your child away on open waters, so I recommend pull use only. The canopy does have a tendency to fall down, so we prefer to tuck the tail inside, which keeps the canopy open. This float is suitable for most children from 6 months to 24 months old, depending how big they are. My nephews and nieces love floating around in it, while singing Baby Shark, of course. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.